To use a Mastercard gift card online, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the gift card number, expiration date, and security code available. The gift card number is typically 16 digits long and can be found on the front of the card. The expiration date and security code are usually located on the back of the card. Next, go to the website where you want to make a purchase and select the items you want to buy. When you are ready to check out, look for the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Select this option and enter the gift card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. If the website requires you to enter a name and address, use the name and address of the person who purchased the gift card. If the website does not require this information, you can usually leave these fields blank. After entering the required information, submit your payment and wait for the website to process the transaction. If the transaction is approved, you will receive a confirmation message and your purchase will be complete. It is also important to note that some websites may require you to register the gift card before you can use it online. To do this, go to the Mastercard website and follow the prompts to register your gift card. You will need to provide the gift card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as your name and address. When using a Mastercard gift card online, it is a good idea to keep track of your balance and make sure you have enough funds to cover the cost of your purchase. You can check your balance by visiting the Mastercard website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use a Mastercard gift card online and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and only use it on reputable websites to avoid any potential issues.